If you are working in a team, this update is for you. Up until this release, the data environment for Fusion 360 has been an individual environment. We have offered an optional team environment called Fusion Team, available but not easily accessible for all users. While the current personal environment is fine for simple ad hoc collaboration, it doesn't scale for bigger teams who are now adopting Fusion 360. Now, we have made it easier for existing users to switch over to a team account, as well as new users to get a team account right off the bat during account creation. So I'll run through a few scenarios for various team members. First, let's say I'm brand new to Fusion 360. Just like before, I will enter my information to make a Fusion 360 account. Now, Fusion 360 will greet me kindly and ask me to name my Fusion team. Make sure to allow people from your domain to join this team. Now, let's create a few projects to show how others in my team can access the correct data. Next, Aaron is just starting at my company and is going to create a Fusion 360 account with the same company domain. This time, instead of asking him to create one by default, Fusion 360 is going to ask him if he wants to join my existing team. Now, once he gets into Fusion 360, he will see the projects that I previously created, but won't be able to access them without my approval. Luckily, I trust Aaron, so I'm going to let him have access to my standard components library. Now here's the third case. Marty has been using Fusion 360 and has some existing projects. For this workflow, start by clicking the link in the description, and it will take you to a landing page explaining what Fusion Team really is. So Marty can select her existing projects and transfer them to my Fusion Team. In addition, the existing project members from her projects will transfer over appropriately. It will take a few minutes to transfer depending on the size of your project, but you can check on the status in the top right. Once complete, Marty can see her projects in the new Fusion Team, and she can request access to other projects she does not have access to yet. Now that's super simple.